Okay, welcome to Samgure online teaching. Today we're going to talk about the spermatogenesis, and in this video we're going to discuss about spermatogenesis. But before we're going to discuss the process of sperm formation, let us start with morphology of sperm. Sperm is a male gamet, also called spermatozoa. The other name of sperm is called the spermatozoa. And the sperm is divided into three parts. Sperm divide into three parts, which is head, midpiece, and the tail, and each have their own components. Head contains the chromosomes, the thread-like structure. Also it contains the autosomes and the sex chromosome. That is, the chromosome contains the autosomes, autosomal chromosomes, and the sex chromosomes. But remember that autosomal chromosomes are the chromosomes which are found in the body, does not found in the sex, but the sex chromosomes are those chromosomes which are found in the sex. Acrosomes also contain the proteins which is called acrosomes. These help to during fertilizations to enter in the egg. The other is midpiece. Midpiece is just a center of the sperm, and this contains many mitochondria. The mitochondria, the function of mitochondria is the productions of ATP. So the mitochondria, the function of mitochondria is that to produce the ATP. Tail is the last part of the sperm, also called the flagellums. Move in the swim-like motion to project the sperm forward. So this helps the sperm during the movement. Remember that the sperm is ejaculated in the vagina, and this move to follow the egg. Now spermatogenesis. What is spermatogenesis is that the process of sperm formation. Sperm productions, remember that there is a component which will allow the sperm formation. There is skeletal cells, there is semiferous tube which are found in testes. The sperm formation is such of basement membranes, which there is two cells which are found in that's the sperm form between them, the cell which called skeletal cell, and the function of these skeletal cells is that help for nourish the sperm during the spermatogenesis. The sperm formation starts to the germline cells, in which the germline cells there is spermatogonians, which is diploid, start with diploid. And this in basement membrane is there is just a diploid, and there is junctions between the one and the another. When these spermatogonians is diploid, and this spermatogonia it undergo the mitotic division. So spermatogonians undergo germline cells undergo the mitotic divisions that increase the number of cells to form the spermatogonias. This spermatogonia it just increase the number of cells, because remember that the mitosis leads to increase the number of cells. And then after the spermatogonians undergo mitotic divisions to form the primary spermatocytes. So the mitosis, the cell spermatogonia undergo mitosis to form the primary spermatocyte. This is increase the number of cells. So there is increase of number of cells. Then the primary spermatocytes undergo the meiosis 1. Remember that meiosis is just reduce the number of cells. So this primary spermatocyte is that a diploid, then move to the secondary spermatocyte is haploid. So the cell of primary spermatocyte divide from the diploid to haploid by meiosis 1. Then the secondary spermatocyte undergo meiosis 2 to form spermatid. the spermatid. Then the spermatid develop by nourish to form the spermatozoa, which is sperm. The summary of that is that spermatogonia undergo mitosis. Then the primary spermatocyte undergo meiosis 1, secondary spermatocyte undergo meiosis 2, and the spermatid mature to develop to form sperm. And this is just the process called spermatogenesis.